Welcome to our comprehensive guide on breaking bad habits. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate steps needed to conquer those persistent behaviors that hold you back, enabling you to pave the way for positive change in your life. Let's begin by understanding the nature of habits. Habits are deeply ingrained patterns of behavior formed through repetition and reinforcement. They can range from seemingly innocuous routines to deeply ingrained vices, exerting a powerful influence on our daily lives. Step 1. Identify your triggers. Take the time to observe and analyze the circumstances, emotions, or thoughts that precede your habit. By recognizing these triggers, you gain valuable insight into the underlying causes of your behavior, laying the foundation for effective change. Step 2. Keep a habit journal. Documenting your habits provides a tangible record of your journey towards self-improvement. Note down the situations in which your habits arise, the feelings associated with them, and any patterns you observe over time. Step 3. Replace negative habits with positive ones. Instead of simply focusing on eliminating bad habits, channel your energy into cultivating healthier alternatives. Identify activities or behaviors that align with your goals and incorporate them into your daily routine. Step 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness involves cultivating present moment awareness and acceptance of your thoughts, feelings, and sensations. By learning to observe your habits without judgment, you can develop greater self-awareness and control over your actions. Step 5. Be patient and persistent. Breaking bad habits is not a linear process. There may be setbacks and challenges along the way, but don't let them discourage you. Stay committed to your goals and remain resilient in the face of adversity. Step 6. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out to friends, family, or professionals for guidance and encouragement. Surround yourself with individuals who understand your journey and can provide the support you need to stay motivated and focused. In conclusion, breaking bad habits requires dedication, self-awareness, and perseverance. Identify triggers, keep a habit journal, replace negative habits with positive ones, practice mindfulness, be patient, persistent, and seek support to overcome deeply ingrained behaviors and unlock your potential.